lovely day, absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. And you should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who... has a pop! Messi is flagged offside. Keeper's got good distance on that. Over to the left, back into the middle. Shaw spreads it towards the left. Boateng tries a pass forward. Hoists it forward. Well played, he saw that coming. Smalling. Played out to the right. And it's Messi. He's dead. Tevez! And out to safety. And here's Insigne. Played back in. Out to the right. De Bruyne. No change to the score. 0-0 it remains. Defending, but that'll do. Forward it goes. Defenders on the back foot. Insigne. Rice with the crossfield ball. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. De Bruyne, deftly done. It's a corner kick. De Bruyne plays it short. And here's... it's one! It's there!
For such a big name in your side to register very close to the break, not only creates a real buzz in your dressing room during the break, but dispirits the opposition too, and it sets up a decent chance to go on and finish this game to their liking. The first touch was absolutely heavenly, and because of it, the finish was a mere formality.
Lyon themselves into the lead.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
And it's Insigne. James Rodriguez. And the first 45 minutes are up. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football that still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
I'm sure they'll be very happy with the first half performance and the scoreline. They'll definitely want to maintain the momentum now and finish the job.
Lyon come off having scored the only goal of the game so far. It's been tight, it's been exciting, and there is certainly plenty for us to chew on during the break. And Messi! Defence has got rid of that. Kurzawa. Now it's Tevez. Kurzawa. Now it's De Bruyne. And now they can launch a counter. He's on his way. Out to the left it goes. Promising cross. That's a mistimed tackle, and it is a penalty. And that is a huge moment in the context of the game.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
Brilliant save from Donnarumma! Looks to set one up. Rodriguez tries to clear. He can get that clear. Tries to get it forward quickly. It's gone out for a throw-in. Swung over. Boateng with the clearance.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Well, this isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
And it's Insigne. Has a look and plays it in. He's tried one. Liverpool have turned to their bench, and we're going to have a substitution. They've played it short. Hit into the middle.
Lyon are looking to make this one safe. They want to reduce the risk.
De Bruyne. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
Lyon are clearly looking to kill this game off. It's keeping the ball away from the other end too.
Shaw. And it's Shaw. Now the cross. Smalling gets good distance on it.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue this situation, and it needs to be any time now, really.
He's off on a marauding run. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Almost there, and the players can feel it. Gets away from his opponents, into the box. And he heaves it forward. And the referee brings it to a